Shri Rama Sharanam Mama Manas Manthan Kinkar Chintan Discourses by Maharaj Shri Ram Kinkarji Upadhyay. Message 13. Title Total Devotion of Sri Lakshmanji. Maharaj Shri Ram Kinkarji describes how once in Ramcharitmanas Shri Ram revealed to Hanumanji that he is being loved by him almost double to that of Sri Lakshmanji. Taimam Priya Lakshman Te Duna. Number 4/3/7. You are being loved double the amount which I have for Sri Lakshmanji. Although Hanumanji was honored, yet he didn't take it literally or seriously. The words as not to feel superior compared himself to Sri Lakshmanji. Hanumanji realized that it is just a temporary effect of a pleasant sensitivity and a result of an emotional expression. It adds intensity to that thought. With this outlook, addressing someone younger or older is just a momentary phenomena. Maharaj Shri gives examples as sometimes Hanumanji looks older and at other times it's Bharatji. Similarly, Kaushalyaji, Sumitraji, or at times applies for Dashrathji to be referred to as bigger or younger in comparison. These feelings of emotional variations in devotion or bhakti also contributes as reason for various incarnations of God as well. Maharaj Shri continues to draw our attention towards Sri Lakshmanji. In Ramcharitmanas, we find both dedicated devotees of Sri Ram as Hanumanji and Sri Lakshmanji. But there is a difference between their modes of worshippings. If we can refer to our devotional scriptures to find definitions and differences amongst the two modes, they are termed as number 1, Abhed Mulak Anyashray, where an aspirant makes no difference between any particular source to worship or avalamban and sees and finds universality of Sri Ram in everyone. Second is Bhed Mulak Anyanyata, those who firmly believe in dedicating to only one and no other source of avalamban or support. Anyanyata itself means to surrender totally to one method or source for spiritual advancement. A classic example of the Bhed Mulak Anyanyata is a bird known as Chatak. This bird is known for its devotion towards the raindrops of nectar she drinks only specifically under Swati Nakshatra, which comes once a month. She would rather die thirsty without taking water from any other sources, even Ma Ganges, Yamuna ji, Saraswati ji, or from the ocean. This is total dedication and a stage of surrender to one source. Symbolically, there are few devotees as well who possesses this bird's type selectively. Except for one particular form of roop or incarnation, they don't have any interest or devotional feelings of surrender towards any other form or swarup of Sri Hari. Sri Lakshmanji is a typical example of this mode of Anyashraya. In Vinay Patrika, Sri Goswamiji narrates, Chatak Chatur Ram Sham Dhanke, number 37. Sri Lakshmanji is a Chatak of Ram Rupi Ghanshyam Swarup. He possesses the characteristics of Chatak. He has no one in his heart and no value either for anyone else except Sri Ram. Now the other category of Anyanyata is Abhed Mulak in Ramcharitmanas, and the Gyan or knowledge of the same was given to Sri Hanumanji by Sri Ram. Upon Hanumanji's question to Sri Ram that he does not even know how to perform prayers, Sri Ram advised it's good to understand this fact clearly. So Anyanya Jake Asimati Na Tarai Hanumant, Main Sevak Sacharachar Rup Swami Bhagwant. Sri Ram asked him to consider that the entire universe resides in me and needs to be served with devotion. This is Anyanya Bhakti. This advice was given to Sri Hanumanji in front of Sri Lakshmanji. Although Sri Lakshmanji is serving Sri Ram with Anyanya Bhav, his own definition of the same is very different. He possesses Chatak's bird's tendency. Lakshmanji is willing to serve Sri Ram only in his original form or Swarup. As an example, when Sri Ram was leaving for exile from Ayodhya ji, he advises Sri Lakshmanji not to come along with him for various reasons, like Bhavan bharte ripu sudan nahi, Rao vradh mam dukh man mahi, Raho karaho sab kar paritosh. Number 271 and half. Nataro tat ho hini badh dosho. Number 271 5. Shri Bharatji and Shatrughanji are not home, and Pitashi or Father Dashrathji is in old age. He is also suffering from the pain of my exile, therefore you must stay here to comfort them, or else it would be a big mistake. At this request of Sri Ram, Lakshmanji firmly states, who you are recommending me to serve besides you? Which parents are you referring to? For me personally, besides you, no one exists as Guru, Mother or Father. This is a typical response of a Chatak bird-like aspirant. Guru pitumat na janev kahu, karhu subhahu nahi, nathpati ahu. Mor sabhi ke tum swami, mohi sabhi ek tum swami. Number 272/4-6. But what about Hanumanji? The difference between Sri Hanumanji and Lakshmanji is that Lakshmanji can only and specifically serve Sri Ram in his current form and no one else. Hanumanji, on the contrary, was asked by Sri Ram to serve everyone, considering the entire world is his image, and this is Hanumanji's way of devotion or anyasha. In conclusion, both Sri Lakshmanji and Hanumanji are ardent devotees of Sri Ram, but serving with different approaches. Lakshmanji only worships in current form, whereas Sri Hanumanji sees the entire world as Sri Ram and continues to serve. See you later with another message of Maharaj Shri. Jai Siya Ram.